Good morning, and now we're on to how to make bulletproof coffee the cheaper, more affordable way. So again, you take your Ninja or whatever, put your coffee in there. You can do collagen if you want. That's not part of a bulletproof coffee necessarily. And there's cheaper kind. Now, instead of doing the brain octane oil, you just do coconut oil. Okay? Same amount, about, if you're not used to it, about half a spoon. If you're used to it, you can do a full spoon like I do. So there's coconut oil. Mix it in there. And then cultured ghee again. Very, very good. I would say about a spoon, maybe two if you want. Then you could do, like I said last week, or the other day, you could do honey. I like dates because it's full on fruit, it's natural, and it doesn't spike your sugar levels as much. But either or is good if you want to do that. Make sure you don't leave the spoon in there. Bam. Now you can see the layer right here, that's the ghee mostly. It makes it very frothy, very good. It's yummy. You gotta get used to it though, like I said in the previous video. Whoa. Put it in your mug. And there you go. That's bulletproof coffee.